Good day, everyone. For today, I will show you how to use Alice Guest Hotel. Alice connect guests to their hotel service anywhere and anytime. Alice is an operation system for everyday department of your hotel, connecting your staff and your guests. As a guest of an Alice hotel, you can use this app to connect with any hotel department at any time. This Alice application can make a request. For example, order a room service, book a spa appointment, request a wake-up call to any department before and during your stay, and just push the button na nakalagay dyan sa dashboard. And also, it can receive updates on the progress of your requests. Sa front desk, software serves different service offer that they can customize. For example, dyan sa nakalagay sa screen yung counter. Sa counter, may makikita tayo dyan. Ayan, extra bed. Sa extra bed, pwede ka maglagay ng date and time of delivery kung kailan mo gusto makuha yung order, yung request mo. At kung ilang pillows or bedsheet na kailangan mo at yung iba pang special information or requests. Next, bell services. Nandyan din yung date and time at kung ano pa yung main purpose kung bakit mo sila kailangan. Late checkout. Siyempre, nakalagay din dyan kung ASAP ba at yung special information kung ano yung request. Yan, marami pang nakalagay dyan sa counter. Next is this one, concierge. Dito sa concierge, nakalagay dito iba't ibang packages. Ayan, offers. Next is room service. Sa room service, included dito yung beverages, breakfast, brunch, and dinner. Sa beverages, ayan, meron na sila ditong option kung ano yung pwede mong piliin. Sa brunch, breakfast and lunch. Sa dinner, meron na silang offer kung ano yung gusto mong piliin. Next is sa maintenance. Syempre hindi may iwasan yung may masisira. Ayan. For example, kung ano yung item, item na nasira, kung ano yung aayusin. Tapos ilalagay mo dyan, for example, kung gusto mo i-describe kung paano siya nasira. Ayan. Next, sa TV appliances, nakalagay din dyan kung ano yung kailangan mo. For example, phone chargers, nilagay na nila yan kasi siguro yun yung most na nire-request ng mga guests. At dyan dito sa makikita natin sa ating dashboard, maraming mga option at doon sa mga option na yon ay talagang yun yung mas kailangan. So, dito naman sa selection na to, nakalagay yung information mo, email, phone para makontakan nila. And also inbox, requests, packages, and more. This application helps guests and also the hoteliers para mas mapabilis at mas mainam ang kanilang transaction. Hindi na yung, for example, kailangan mo ng material, bababa ka pa. Hindi na ganun. Kumbaga parang ito na yung way nila para mas mapabilis yung needs and wants ng customer. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.